that gum?
Yep.
Hey!
Can't hear you.
That's it! Get out! Ugh!
Fine. I'll just walk. Ooh, found something. Weird. Oh, yeah.
Gimme! Hey! My purse!
Huh? Oh, no. Wait a minute. Slow down, thief! Got him! Rotten thief! Your purse, miss.
Wow, thank you. You're so kind. Unlike my daughter.
Oh.
So selfish.
That's called being a teenager. Young lady, let's take a walk. Where's Mom?
I'll take care of you. Come on.
When was the last time you cleaned this place? Ugh, and the smell. My home? Anything to eat around here? Oh, I've got sandwich stuff. Looks pretty good, huh? Utensils? Oh, of course. A little crusty, but it works. Here. Thanks, I guess. No! Not like that. It's not like a piece of steak. It's sliced thin for a sandwich. See? Ugh, and the tomato… Oh, wait. Smells super old. I beg your pardon. No manners. Oh, just like at the spa. The what? Those aren't for your eyes. Flying cucumbers. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Ready, set, cut, and color. See how the lines look? Do these look familiar yet? Or perhaps you're getting hungry. This is my favorite part, but you need it all to make a sandwich. Ta-da! Looks pretty good, right? Recognize the ingredients? Can't forget the onion. Now put them all together. Okay, I'll go. The tomato looks pretty good. And cucumbers too. There! I did it! A sandwich! Oh, and remember, this one's real. Oh, I knew that. Is this real life? And a fridge? Fully stocked? It's so beautiful! Chicken! Wow! Come to mama! It's like Christmas and my birthday combined! Wait, something stinks. Ugh, the cheese! I'm not eating this. Phew. Only one thing left to do. Feast! Oh yeah! Mmm, delicious!
Honey, what are you doing? Is this all from the fridge? Not the blue cheese! What a mess! Oh, here you go.
Thanks.
Here, to protect your sweater.
Oh.
You ready? Here comes the silverware.
Interesting. How do you hold these things?
Oh, let's try that again. Spoon.
Looks easy enough. Watch yourself!
No. Just watch. Very good. Now stab and carve. See? Good. Are you listening to music?
Yep. Thank you. Woohoo!
Oh, it's the least I could do. Okay, good enough.
Thanks for coming over, Megan. So, what do you think? Ta-da! Cool, right? It's cool. Yep. Oh, why don't you come inside? In there? I don't know about this. Can you come here for a sec? Huh? Oh, it's right over there. Yep, just that away. Ah! This is so awkward. Oh, this is the this thing's kinda small. done. I guess I'll just leave it. So this is my dancing room. Wow!
Fresh pineapple juice, ladies.
They're clean enough. Sure. No. I'll go wash my hands then. BRB. Ugh. This is her bathroom? Oh my gosh. This is bigger than my whole tent. Real gold? And what do these do? Should I press them? Why not? Huh? Wait! Nope! Make it stop! No more, please! Phew. Huh? Oh no! Stop! Please, no! Blow dryers off! What? Money? I can't believe this! Hello? Ava? Huh? Check it out! I'm rich! Oh, Ava.
I'm on the way, miss. I found 2 size 8s.
Meh.
How about these?
No.
Oh, okay.
So annoying.
These?
Mm-mm.
These?
Ew. Oh, no way. That's enough.
No, give me another chance.
Ugh.
I have to think of something. And I know just the thing. Plain shoes? That's no problem. A cute scarf can turn things around. Just cut it to size. And what's better than gold bottoms? Gives them an extra little something. Perfection!
I'm bored.
Like these?
Like? Try love? Are they my size?
Oh boy, I've done it.
These are the cutest shoes ever! Thank you. You deserve an extra large tip. Just take it all.
I'm one lucky man. Off to the Bahamas I go!
Wow! This place is super cute! And look at all these shoes! It's like candy! Mine, mine, mine! Just these. Oh, is this enough?
Oh, $1. It doesn't cover one strap.
Really? That's all I have. But I want them so badly.
Let me see what I can do. I have these from last season.
Cool. Oh! I should probably try them on. I hope they fit. Let's see. So far so good. I don't know about these. Yay! See ya! Ugh, I wish I could go to this. But I have nothing to wear. Oh well. Moving on. What's this thing? A shirt? A dress? A mess? Whatever. Anything else? Huh? What's this? Ugh. Wow. Huh? Phew! Finally! Thank you. Are you a real fairy? Hey! Are you kidding me?
No!
My bad. Oh, sorry. I think you'll like this one. Whoa! This is fabulous! I don't know. It's not quite right. Try this one. Now we're talking. I love it! Phew! What a relief. Have fun at the party. Time to rock out! This place is sick. Wow! It's pretty in here. Oh, hey! Is that my dress? How embarrassing. Oh no. This is not okay. I'll just make it different then. This slip ought to do the trick. It's a totally different color. Hello? Fabric, please. Wait till you see what I do with this. Nobody else will be wearing it. That's for sure. Alright, just a few more tucks. And I'm done.
Oh!
I'm back. Wow, that outfit's so pretty. The color is super cool. Yeah, I thought you'd say that. Let's dance.
Oh, coming!
Do you think being rich or poor is easier? Depends on how creative you are. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.